Hi friends, today in my video I am going to show you how to reduce fractions into its lowest terms. Moving on to the example 1. Our question is to convert 14 by 21 into its lowest terms. We know that 14 is the numerator and 21 is the denominator. In order to convert it into its lowest term, first we have to find a number whose multiple is 14 or 21. In simple ways, find the common factor for 14 and 21. Here we know 14 is equal to 7 times 2 and 21 is equal to 7 times 3. So we write 14 as 2 multiplied by 7 and 21 as 3 multiplied by 7. Now a 7 is common in both the numerator and the denominator. So cancelling it, we get 2 by 3. The lowest term of 14 by 21 is 2 by 3. Second example is to convert 25 by 100 into its lowest terms. We know that the last digit of the numerator is 5 and last digit of the denominator is 0. From that, it is understood that 25 and 100 is divisible by 5. So we can write 25 as 5 times 5 and 100 as 5 times 20. Cancelling the 5, which is common in both numerator and denominator, we get 5 by 20. We all know that 5 times 4 is 20. So cancelling 5 and 20, we get 1 by 4. Third example is to convert 2 by 150 into its lowest terms. We know that the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 150. 150 is divisible by 2. So we can write 2 into 75 is equal to 150. Cancelling the 2 from the numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 75. Fourth example is to convert 24 divided by 30 into its lowest terms. We know that 24 and 30 are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. We write 24 as 2 times 12 and 30 as 2 times 15. Cancelling the 2 from both the numerator and denominator, we get 12 by 15. Is this the lowest term? No, 12 by 15 is not the lowest term because they both are divisible by 3. So we write it again as 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 5. Cancelling the 3 from both the numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 5. Fifth example is to convert 24 by 36 into its lowest terms. As in the previous example, we know that 24 and 36 are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. So we write 24 as 2 times 12 and 36 as 2 times 18. Cancelling 2 from both the numerator and denominator, we get 12 by 18. This is not the lowest term. How to reduce it again? We know that 12 and 80 is divisible by 3. So we are going to write it as 12 is equal to 3 times 4 and 18 is equal to 3 times 6. Cancelling the 3 from both numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 6. Is this the smallest term? No. Both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Cancelling the 2 from both numerator and denominator, we get the answer 2 by 3.